Box number 7. Pretty nice stuff. Got more. I'm gonna get a couple more big name guys here before the case comes out. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Actually, I'm fine. On that side. Let's see it. Austin Pettis, rookie. What did I do? See, I knew I screwed some shit up here. It's just the regular rookie cards. Those are all refractors. Sorry. Got 2 finest moments, John Baldwin and Torrey Smith. Chiefs and Ravens. Let's unpack 2 of those guys. Mikel LaShore, rookie, and a Steven Jackson gold. 37 out of 50. Wow. We got the Steven Jackson number to 10 and the Steven Jackson gold number to 50. The Rams. There's a hit right there. Let it breathe. Roddy White, refractor for the Falcons. Von Miller, rookie, did it again. Darren McFadden, refractor, Raiders. That's stack of refractors, man. Marcel Darius, Bills, rookie. Bills in, Bills are out. I'm going to pull those out later. Kendall Hunter, rookie. 49ers, Jamie Harper, rookie. There's 3 rookies in there. And a Mike Thomas refractor, finest moments for the Jags. John Baldwin, rook for the Chiefs. Stevan Ridley, rook, Patriots. And a Leonard Hankerson, atomic for the Redskins. Bilal Powell, rookie for the Jets. Austin Pettis, blue, refractor, number to 99. Rams, some nice colored refractors. Third one. 2 in that box, blue and gold. Vincent Brown and Leonard Hankerson, Chargers and Redskins rookie cards. And for the Bucks, Daquan Bowers, atomic. Almost there, we're almost there. We are almost there. AJ Green, rookie, Bengals. We got our first one in. And Santonio Holmes, refractor for the Jets. Jarrell Jernigan, refractor, rookie, Giants. Alright, here's our jersey autograph. First on the back we got a Leonard Hankerson, finest moments, Redskins. And a Julio Jones rookie. A Julio Jones rookie. JH. JH are the initials. Refractor, number to 75 for the Titans, Jamie Harper. 43 of 75. .43 of 75. Refractor jersey auto. And on the back of this one we got Ray Rice, number to 399. UPS. And hey, stop it. Alex Green rookie card for the Packers. There you go. Good luck. For the Ravens, Torrey Smith. Nice patch. 3-color patch auto. Nice one. That one's nice. Number to 310. Ravens Refractor and Ravens patch auto. 284, 310. Very nice. It's box 7.